Hello student, I am Pramod sir, your maths teacher. Welcome to everybody to today's online class. Student, today I am going to start your new chapter number 9, rational numbers. This is the introduction part first. So, student, I am going to study about the rational number. So, firstly, we have to know what is the rational number. What is the rational number? Firstly, we have to know. So, student, I have written already on the board the definition of the rational number. Rational number. A rational number is defined as a number that can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is equal to not zero. So, student, this is the definition of the rational numbers. Suppose that, student, I am taking an example like minus 3 upon 5. Minus 3 upon 5. Student, this is a rational number. Why? क्यों rational number है? Because we are writing this number in the form of P upon Q. In the form of P upon Q. It means P is equal to minus 3 and Q is equal to 5. I have written this number in the form of P upon Q. So, minus 3 upon 5 is a rational number. If we are unable to write in the form of P upon Q of any numbers, then that is not rational number. अगर आप नहीं लिख रहे हो P upon Q के फॉर्म में, so that is not rational number. But here you are saying that this number is written in form of P upon Q, so this is a rational number. And further definition is saying where P and Q are integers, and student, you are seeing minus 3 is an integer, 5 is an integer. So this is the rational number. This is the rational number. But condition is given, student, Q is equal to not 0. If we write here like this, minus 3 upon 0, minus 3 upon 0, you can say that, sir, this is written in the form of P upon Q. ये भी तो P upon Q के form में right है, but it is not a rational number. Why? Because P is equal to minus 3, yes, but Q is equal to 0. And in definition, you are saying Q should not be 0. Q should not be 0. Q 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. It can't be defined. So, student, this is not rational number. But if I write only 2, suppose that only 2. 2 is a rational number. Yes, student, it is a rational number. Why? You can say that, sir, it is not written in the form of P upon Q. No, it is, you can write this number in the form of P upon Q like this, 2 upon 1. 2 upon 1. By writing 1 as the denominator, the value of 2 is not changed. So, student, this is in the form of P upon Q. So, you can say 2 is a rational number. 2 is a rational number. So, student, you are thinking that what is the difference between rational number and fraction? अगर ये rational number है तो फिर fraction क्या है? What is fraction? Same definition fraction की भी होती है as same विषय about the definition. But in the definition of rational number, you are saying P and Q are integers, but in the definition of fraction, you have to say P and Q are whole numbers. are whole numbers. Are whole numbers. Minus 3 upon 5 is not a fraction. Is not a fraction. It is a rational number. Because minus 3 is an integer. And you are saying in the definition of the whole, in the fraction, that P and Q should be whole number. P and Q should be whole number. P और Q कैसे होने चाहिए? Whole number होने चाहिए. And in the definition of rational number, P and Q should be integers. ये integer होने चाहिए. So, student, this is the major difference between rational number and fraction. P and Q will be whole number, and in rational number P and Q will be integer. So, student, rational number is a big group of whole number, integer. Whole number and integer, both you can see in the rational number. But in the fraction, you can see only the whole number. Only the whole number, not integer. So, student, I hope you have understood the difference between the fraction and the rational number. So, student, one thing more you can say that every whole number is a rational number. सभी whole number जो होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? Rational number होते हैं. I am writing 0. 0. What is 0? 0 is a rational number. Why? Because we can write the denominator as 1, and by writing the 1 as the denominator, the value of 0 is not changed. So, 0 is a rational number, and you know 0 is a whole number. 0 is a whole number. So, student, I hope you have understood about the rational number. And next topic is, student, positive and negative rational number. Positive and negative rational number. Positive and negative rational number क्या होते हैं? That number which numerator, that rational number which numerator and denominator are positive, that is the positive rational number. Positive rational number ये क्या है? Positive 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5 is a positive rational number, because the sign of 2, there is no sign before 2, so you will understand about the positive sign, and same condition is applied here in case of 5. So 2 upon 5 is a positive rational number, and minus 2 upon 5, student, if it is written, it is a negative rational number. It is a negative rational number. Why? Because the sign of numerator is negative, so it is a negative rational number. But student, if the numerator and denominator both signs are negative, then which type rational number that will be? Student, I am writing like this: minus 2 upon minus 5. Which type rational number this is? This is positive rational number also, student. I have told you division of the rational of the integers in integer chapter, that you can cancel negative to negative sign. नेगेटिव से नेगेटिव को आप क्या कर सकते हैं? कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. सो यू विल गेट एट लास्ट 2 upon 5, and you are seeing here that there is no sign before 2 and 5. So this is a positive rational number. This is a positive rational number, not negative. So I hope, student, you have understood about the positive, negative rational number. And next topic is, student, equivalent rational numbers. Equivalent rational number. Equivalent rational number. Rational number. Equivalent, you know the meaning of equivalent? Equal. Equivalent, equal. Equal in value, you can say. The meaning of the equivalent, equal in value. Suppose that I'm taking an example, minus 2 upon 5 is a rational number, student, you know very well, because this is written in the form of P upon Q. Definition is written above, you can see. So minus 2 upon 5 is a rational number, and question is asking me, write the equivalent of रेशनल नंबर ऑफ माइनस 2 अपॉन 5. माइनस 2 अपॉन 5 का इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर फाइंड आउट करो. फाइंड आउट द इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर ऑफ रेशनल नंबर माइनस 2 अपॉन 5. So student, I want to tell you here that for finding the equivalent rational number of any rational number, we will divide by the same number in numerator and the denominator. स्टूडेंट, इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हम किसी भी नंबर से, किसी नंबर मीन्स बाय द सेम नंबर, एनी नंबर्स बट सेम नंबर, we multiply in the numerator and denominator. Suppose that you want to multiply by 3 in numerator and denominator, so you have to multiply by 3 in numerator and denominator both. Not like this, that you are multiplying in numerator by 3 and denominator by 4. Then you will unable to find out the equivalent rational number. फिर आप नहीं पाएंगे, equivalent rational number find out नहीं कर पाएंगे. So student, we have to multiply by the same number in numerator and denominator, then we can find out the equivalent rational number. So multiply by 3 in numerator and multiply by 3 in the denominator, so we get the 2 3 ja 6 minus 6 upon 5 3 ja 15. Student, minus 6 upon 15 is the equivalent rational number of minus 2 upon 5, of minus 2 upon 5. How can we check? If we write the minus 6 upon 5 in the simplest form, then we get at the last minus 2 upon 5. So you can say that minus 2 upon 5 is equivalent to the minus 6 upon 15. You can make the simplest form or standard form. 3, both numbers are going in the table of 3. So we can divide 6 and 15 by 3. So 3 2 ja 6, that is minus 2, and 3 5 ja 15. At last we are getting minus 2 upon 5. By writing the simplest form of minus 6 upon 5 rational number. So student, in this way you can say that for finding the equivalent rational number, we multiplying by the same number in numerator and denominator. In this way we can find out the many equivalent rational number of minus 2 upon 5. In the first case we are multiplying by 3 in numerator and denominator. In second case we take the second number, other number like 4, like 5, like 6, we multiply, and then we get the first, second, third and fourth equivalent rational number of minus 2 upon 5. मैं कई रेशनल नंबर, इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं बाय टेकिंग द डिफरेंट नंबर्स. अलग अलग नंबर लेकर के मल्टीप्लाई करके हम जो है इस माइनस 2 अपॉन 5 का इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर निकाल सकते हैं, फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. So student, I hope you have understood the equivalent rational number. So come to the next topic, student, that is the rational number on a number line. Rational number on a number line. Next topic is rational number on a number line. On a number line. How can we represent the rational number on the number line? Student, in fraction chapter I have told you that how can we represent a fraction on the number line. As same, सेम वर्क वी डू इन द केस ऑफ रेशनल नंबर. रेशनल नंबर के भी केस में हम सेम वर्क ही करते हैं. सपोज दैट आई एम टेकिंग एग्जांपल लाइक 3/4. दिस इज अ रेशनल नंबर because I have told you rational number is a big group of the whole number and integer and a fraction, you can say. So 3/4 is a rational number because both are positive integer, you know. So we need to show this rational number on the number line. So for showing the 3/4 on the number line, firstly we have to draw the number line, student, you know. So we draw a line like this, and you know, in middle of this line we take the 0, and from this 0 to the right side we represent the positive numbers, and to the left side from this 0 we represent the negative number, you know very well. So this is 1, suppose that, and this is 2, this mark show the whole number 3, and this mark show the 4. Like this, on the left side we represent this mark represent -1, and this mark represent -2, and this mark -3, and this mark represent -4. Like this, student. And this is a rational number, and you are seeing that this rational number has the denominator 4. So we have to divide the distance between two units equal to 4 part. Recall the chapter fraction. Equal to denominator, we divide the distance between two units. Student, because this is a positive rational number, so we have to move to the right side from the 0, not left side, because on the left side we are representing the negative rational number. So this is positive, so we have to move to the left side from the 0. But the distance between two units we divide equal to 4 part. Why? Because this rational number has the denominator 4. So 1 part, 2 part, and 3, and last is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 0. You can write like this: 0/3. After 0/3, this part is so 1/3, and this part is 2/3, and this is 0/3, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sorry, student, not 3. This is 4, because one whole unit you have divided into 4 equal parts. So one part represent 1/4. So this is 1/4. This is 2/4, and this part so 3/4, and last this part is 4/4. And when you will divide 4 by 4, you get the one, you know. So 3/4. It means you can say that I have shown the 3/4 on the number line. You can mention the name of this point is A. So you can say that point A represents the rational number 3/4. If we have the negative rational number like this, -7/3, like this, -7/3. Suppose that we need to represent on the number line. So this is a negative rational number, so we have to move to the left side from the 0, because this is a negative rational number. So this rational number has the denominator 3, so we have to divide the distance between two units equal to 3 equal parts. So I am dividing the 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3, like this. We have to divide, and first 0 means 0/3, and when you divide 0 by 3, you will get at last 0. So, and first part is show the 1/3, 1/3 minus 1/3, sorry student, because we are moving to the left side from 0. So all numbers will be negative. So minus 1/3, minus 2/3, minus 3/3, minus 4/3, minus 5/3, minus 6/3. You are seeing here that when you divide minus 6 by 3, you get the minus 2. Minus 6/3, and this mark show the minus 7/3. Suppose that the name of this point is B. So you can say that point B is represent the minus 7/3 rational number. So student, in this way we can represent, we can show the any rational numbers on the number line. It's very easy. Like fraction, you can represent the rational number on the number line. So means equal to denominator, we have to divide the distance between two units. So student, I hope you have understood this topic. How can we represent, how can we show rational number on a number line? So come to the next topic student, that is the rational number in the standard form. Next topic is rational number in the standard form. Rational number in the standard form. Standard form. Standard form. So, student, what is the standard form of the rational number? A rational number is said to be standard form. A rational number is said to be standard form if its denominator is the positive. Listen me again. A rational number is said to be in the standard form if its denominator is positive and numerator and denominator have no common factors other than 1. What means? Suppose that I am taking an example student here like 3/4. This is a rational number, you know very well, because it is written in the form of P/Q, and 3 and 4 is integers and Q is equal to not 0. It means all conditions are applied. All conditions are applying of the definition of the rational number here. So this is a rational number. But it is in standard form or not? How can we check? A rational number is said to be in standard form if its denominator is positive. First condition. And first condition is fulfilled in this case because 4 is a positive integer, you know, because there is no sign before 4. So you will understand about the plus sign. So this is a positive. So first condition is fulfilled. Okay? Second is saying numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. 3 और 4 का कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं होना चाहिए 1 के अलावा कोई, एक्सेप्ट 1. सो आप देखिए 3 के फैक्टर कितने हैं स्टूडेंट? 1, 3. 4 के फैक्टर कौन है? 1, 2 and 4. सो कॉमन फैक्टर इज 1. Common factor is 1, and other numbers are not the common factor of 3/4, 3 and 4. So this is in the standard form or lowest form or simplest form. The meaning of all or same. Standard form or simplest form or lowest form. So 3/4 is in the simplest form, you can say. It means, in easy word, you can say that if the given rational number, numerator and denominator, is not divisible by any numbers, then that is rational number is in the standard form. अगर दिया हुआ रेशनल नंबर का न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर किसी भी नंबर से डिवाइड नहीं है, डिविजिबल नहीं है, इट मींस दिस इज स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. दिस इज द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ दिस रेशनल नंबर. But here I am taking a second example, -16/15. -16/15. This is a rational number, student, but this is in standard form. This rational number is written in standard form. No, because this rational number of this rational number, numerator and denominator is divisible by 3. मैंने कहा किसी से भी डिवाइड ना हो एक्सेप्ट 1. 1 के अलावा किसी भी नंबर से अगर डिविजिबल नहीं है तो वो रेशनल नंबर जो है स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में है. अगर ऐसा नहीं है तो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में नहीं है. सो स्टूडेंट, दिस रेशनल नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 3. सो यू कैन डिवाइड 3 2 जा 6 -2 and 3 5 जा 15. नाउ अगेन चेक स्टूडेंट, -2/5. -2/5. 2 and 5 is divisible by any number except 1. Your answer will be no, sir. Because this number, these two number is divisible by only 1, not by any numbers. So -2/5 is a rational number and it is in the form of standard. It is in the standard form. It is in the simplest form. It is in the lowest form. You can say anything. So, student, I hope you have understood the standard form of the rational number. In fraction chapter, I have told you how can we make the simplest form of the rational number? By dividing the SCF. By dividing the SCF of the numerator and denominator, you know. Same condition you can apply here. Same rule you can apply here, student. 6 और 15 का SCF फाइंड आउट करो और उससे डिवाइड करो. सो आपका रेशनल नंबर जो आएगा वो सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में हो जाएगा, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में हो जाएगा. इन दिस वे यू कैन डू. अदरवाइज यू कैन थिंक एनी नंबर्स and by that number you can divide the numerator and denominator. Here I am thinking the 3, because by 3, 6 and 15 are divisible. Both number are divisible. Both numbers should be divisible by that number which you are thinking in your mind. Not like this, that 6 is divisible by 2 and 15 is divisible by 3. You can divide 6 by 2 and 15 by 3. Not like this. It's wrong. You can write 2 3 ja 6 and 3 5 ja 15. You will say that -3/5 is the simplest form of -6/15 rational number. No, it's wrong. Because you are dividing numerator and denominator by the different number. And I am saying here that you have to divide numerator and denominator by the same number, not by the different number. Then you can find the simplest form or standard form or lowest form of the rational number. So student, I hope you have understood about the standard form of the rational number. So come to the next topic, student. Comparison of rational number. Comparison of the rational number. Comparison of rational numbers. Rational numbers. comparison of rational numbers. Minus 7 upon 5. I'm taking example, student. Minus 7 upon 5 and minus 5 upon 3. This is example, student. I'm taking. And you need to compare these two rational number. इन दोनों रेशनल नंबर को कंपेयर करने हैं, मींस विच इज ग्रेटर एंड विच इज स्मॉलर. इन सिंपल वे यू कैन से कंपैरिजन मींस वी नीड टू से विच इज ग्रेटर एंड विच इज स्मॉलर. कौन सा बड़ा है और कौन सा छोटा, यही तो हमको पता है. दिस इज कंपैरिजन, दिस इज कंपेयर. यही तो कंपेयर है, तुलना करना, यही तो होता है. सो स्टूडेंट, फॉर कंपेयरिंग द टू रेशनल नंबर, firstly student ignore the sign of the rational numbers. It is first rule. This is first rule. Means we have to ignore the sign of the rational number and then we compare, and at last we write the reverse order. I have compared. So student, ignore the sign, and when you will ignore the sign, you get the rational number 7 upon 5 and 5 upon 3 and 5 upon 3. Now compare it, student. इसको कंपेयर करिए. क्वेश्चन वाज we need to compare these rational number. हमें कंपेयर तो इसको करना था. दिस इज माई क्वेश्चन, बट वी आर कंपेयरिंग दिस रेशनल नंबर. यस, फर्स्टली डू, देन आई विल टेल यू. वी नीड टू फिल द साइन हियर, नॉट हियर, बिकॉज दिस इज माई क्वेश्चन. सो स्टूडेंट, फर्स्टली फॉर कंपेयरिंग दिस रेशनल नंबर, एनी टू रेशनल नंबर, इग्नोर द साइन and compare the रेशनल नंबर एज फ्रैक्शन की तरह आप कंपेयर कर लीजिए. सो स्टूडेंट, फर्स्टली मेक द डिनोमिनेटर सेम. सो मल्टीप्लाई द डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ द सेकंड फ्रैक्शन इन द न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ द फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन, and by the denominator of the first fraction multiply in the numerator and denominator of the second fraction. Then you will able to get the equal denominator of both fraction. So 3 7s are 21 and 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25. Otherwise there is no need multiply in numerator and denominator both, only numerator, student. Like this short trick. 3 7s are 21, 5 5s are 25. So student, 21 is greater or 25? Easily you can say 25 is greater. 25 is greater. It means 5 upon 3 is greater. 5 upon 3 is greater than 7 upon 5. But in the case of this rational number, write the reverse order of this order. इस ऑर्डर का रिवर्स ऑर्डर आप यहां पर फिलअप करेंगे. 5 upon 3 is greater, 7 upon 5 is smaller. So in this case 7 upon 5 is greater and minus 5 upon 3 is smaller. Opposite way, reverse order you will use here. So student, this is very easy. Comparing of the two rational number. Listen again. For comparing two rational number, student, firstly we ignore the sign of the rational number, and like fraction we compare the rational numbers. How? Firstly we multiply the denominator of the second fraction, we multiply in the numerator of the first fraction, and denominator of the first fraction we multiply in the numerator of the second fraction, and we can compare here like this, student. So 5 upon 3 is greater, here 7 upon 5 is smaller. So student, we use the reverse order of this order. 5/3 is greater, 7/5 is smaller. So here in this case, in your question, you will use the reverse order. 7/5 will be greater and 5/3 will be smaller, minus 5/3. So student, I hope you have understood the comparison of the rational number. And next topic is student, rational numbers between two rational numbers between the two rational number. Rational number between two rational number. Rational numbers between two rational number. Two rational numbers. I am taking student example here. 2/3 and 5/2. 3/2 and 5/2. Here are two rational number, 3/2 and 5/2. So R is, firstly understand this question. After this I will take the negative rational number. 2/3 is 2/3. 2/3. This is 2/3 and 5/2. So student, firstly we make the denominator same. We need to write the rational number which are present in the between of 2/3 and 5/2. This is question same. How many rational numbers are between 2/3 and 5/2? Or question can ask you like this: write 4 rational numbers between 2/3 and 5/2, or 2 rational number between 2/3 and 5/2. Question can ask like this. So student, firstly we make the denominator same. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. How can we make the denominator same, student? Like this. By denominator we multiply in numerator and denominator of the first fraction, and the denominator of the first fraction we multiply in numerator and denominator of the second fraction. Then we can make the denominator same. So then 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. By this denominator we have to multiply in numerator and denominator of 5/2. So 3 5s are 15 and 3 2s are 6. Now you are seeing here that, student, both fraction has the same denominator. So how many rational numbers are lie between these two rational numbers? 4/6, then 5/6, then 7/6, then 8/6, then 9/6, then 10/6, like this. 11/6, 12/6, 13/6, 14/6 and 15/6 is given at last. And 4/6 and 15/6 are equivalent of 2/3 and 5/2. दोनों तो एक ही हैं, इक्वल हैं दोनों. 15/6 is equivalent 5/2 and 4/6 is equivalent 2/3. So these fraction also lie in between of these two rational number. means 5 upon 6, 7, 5 upon 6, 6 upon 6, 7 upon 6, 8 upon 6, like this. We can write many fraction, many rational number. If we need to write between the two rational number, two given rational number. How? For finding the equal denominator. I am taking negative rational number minus 3 upon 4 and 2 upon minus 3. Minus 3 upon 4, minus 3 upon 4 and 2 upon minus 3. 2 upon minus 3. Student, this fraction is in standard form? This fraction is in standard form? No. Standard form rational number, this rational number is in standard form? No. Because the definition of the standard form of the rational number is that denominator should be positive. Denominator should be positive. And numerator denominator has no common factor except than 1, other than 1. So, student, for making the positive of this denominator, we have to multiply by minus 1 here. So, when you multiply by minus 1, then you have to multiply numerator also by minus 1. So, you will get minus 2 and 3. Then, now, this rational number is the standard form. It means we have to find the rational number between minus 3 upon 4 and minus 2 upon 3. So, you are saying here that denominators are not same. Denominators are not same. So, firstly we make the denominator same, student, by multiplying, by cross multiplication. 3 3 is a minus 9 and 3 4 is a 12, student. 4 2 is a minus 8 and 4 3 is a 12. Here you are saying, student, denominators are same. So, write the rational number between these two rational numbers firstly. After this, these rational number we write between these two. So, minus 9 upon 12, minus 9 upon 12 or minus 8 upon 12. Look here, this is 0, this is minus 8 and this is minus 9. Look here, student. Minus 8 and minus 9. How many rational number between these two rational number? There is no a single rational number between these two rational number. Minus 8 upon 12, minus 9 upon 12. 8 की बात तो नहीं आता है. Then how can we write? In this case, student, we have to make the greater denominator. But how? By multiplying any numbers. Like 4, we are multiplying by 4 in numerator and denominator. So, when we multiply by 4 in numerator and denominator, we get the 9 4 ja 36 upon 12 4 ja 48. Then here we multiply by 4 and here we multiply by 4. 8 4 ja 32 and 12 4 ja 48. Here, student, we are finding minus 36 and minus 32 upon 48. So, minus 36 minus 35 upon 48 minus 34 upon 48 minus 33 upon 48 and then minus 32 upon 48. So, in this way, we can find out the many rational numbers between the two rational numbers. If in the first time, by making the denominator same, there is no rational number you are finding between the two rational number, then you can multiply by any numbers in numerator and denominator, but by the same number, not by the different number. You multiply in numerator and denominator like this, that you are multiplying by 4 in numerator and you are multiplying by 5 in denominator. No, that is wrong. You have to multiply by the same number. You can take any number. I am taking here 4, you can take in here 6, you can take in here 7, 8, 9, any number. So, you can find many rational numbers between the two rational numbers. So, I hope student you have understood this topic also. So, in my next video student, I will start your exercise, questions of the exercise. So, thank you student, thank you very much.